ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Hado khat prangot kinong jingi ki bala pentibit bha yaladi hagasni thoding jong ka khat santrik ubna risau arjara arpuai kilami nega jilla Meghalaya ban lejeshim benta hagalumpung yakob jingi kabala tip kum ga Glenmark National Aquatic Championship arjara arpuai kaban salong hanongba Bengaluru kabakintop yakalumpung yakob bala tip kum ga 37th sub junior ka 47 junior but ka 74th Glenmark Senior National. Hagani ka lumpung yakob bala penlong da ka Swimmingly Federation of India la pia haga kardan sub junior, junior but senior. Kini ki khat prangut kinong shimbenta bala mi ikmat nagani ka jilla Meghalaya kin sayo lat banya shimbenta haga lumpung yakob jong ki sub junior but junior ka bansalong haga khat khandai terik hado arpulai terik ubunai risau arajar arpuai but naga benta ki senior pat kan salong haga arpu hunreu terik ubunai risau arajar arpuai hado ka arpu khandai terik ubunai risau arajar arpuai.
Congratulations to your parents, congratulations to the athletes who will be going and representing Meghalaya. We also acknowledge our General Secretary, Mr. Chiranjeev Chowdhury, who is also here from the MSOA, and other members of the media who are covering this program. From my part, I would only like to say this, that as mentioned by others, today Meghalaya has turned a new chapter in sports with the notification of the sports policy. Meghalaya has turned a new chapter, and the impact of it will be understood in the years to come. So I want you to know that the Meghalaya government had notified the sports policy, approved the sports policy in June, on 10 June 2019, in their sitting in, the cabinet sitting in Tura. It was notified in the Gazette on 12 December 2019. We, the MSOA, wanted to create a lot of awareness, and I'm taking an opportunity to create an awareness on this matter. We are thankful to the government having finally approved a sports policy. And I would urge all the parents to kindly go through the sports policy so that you will also understand that there's now a career path for all the sports persons, including the athletes. I would request you to also read carefully the sports policy. In the earlier days, we were giving 7,500 to all the medal winners, gold. Today, as per the sports policy, it is 60,000 if you win a national medal, a gold medal. So keep that in mind. Now you're going for the nationals, juniors, sub-junior and seniors. That is Meghalaya sports policy. If you win a silver, it is 40,000. If you win a bronze, it is 25,000. And there are other incentives, many incentives here. Mentioned in the sports policy. There are marks. There will be a discussion with the education department where those who win national medals, there will be marks given in the curriculum in the schools. So you also know that the national education policy has been announced in July 2020. Which is making sports a mandatory subject. So a number of the states are yet to, initiate this. And we from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association also, we are eagerly awaiting to have a discussion with the education department, the sports department and the government to steamroll to start this process. If you win, if it's a team event, the first team would win 3 lakhs. In any national championship. Runners-up is 2 lakhs, and third runners-up is 1 lakh. So there's cash prize even for the teams. I just want to let you know that Meghalaya today, in the sports policy, If you then, after the nationals, go to the Commonwealth, win medals in the Commonwealth, if you win a gold in the Commonwealth, it is 15 lakhs. If you win silver in the Commonwealth, it is 10 lakhs. If you win bronze in the Commonwealth, it is 5 lakhs. And if you are able to even participate, participation is also 2 lakhs. So these are incentives which the MSOA in collaboration with the sports department, we've been able to, lobby and ensure that this policy is now mandated, where the government will also have to implement these policies. If you win medal at the Asian Games, if you win a gold in the Asian Games, it is 30 lakhs. If you win a silver in Asian Games, it is 20 lakhs. If you win a bronze in the Asian Games, it is 10 lakhs. If you are able to participate in the Asian Games, it is 2 lakhs. Supposing you don't win a medal, but as long as you are part of the Indian squad, there's a cash prize for you of 2 lakhs. If you, in the event, become an Olympian, you go to the Olympics, participate in the Olympics, your participation cash award is 5 lakhs. If you win a bronze medal, it is 30 lakhs. If you win a silver medal in the Olympics, it is 50 lakhs. If you win the gold, the ultimate prize, it is 75 lakhs. This policy was framed in 2019, 2018. We still want to review this Olympic, Asian and Commonwealth prizes so that we can also be at par with some other states. Because some of the big states, larger states, they have also much larger cash awards. But be as it may, this is a good beginning, an incentive to the parents, to the associations and everybody. We are happy that you are here today as the athletes to represent Meghalaya. So I'm thankful to all the technical team, the coaches, I think you got support from other agencies for coaching and all that. So only thing I would like to request the athletes is, please maintain discipline. You are representing Meghalaya. People will look at you, when you go there, when you recite during the tournament, please ensure you maintain discipline. From our side, from the MSOA at this moment, as a token of participation with your with the state Meghalaya State Olympic Association, we can we will support you with a small token of 10,000 for your association, and I would request our General Secretary to if you can give your bank details, then the General Secretary will do the needful to transfer the amount. So with these few words, I once again would like to thank all of you and hope that you will also progress further.
Hilary Suk from Shela, Mary Joan from Shela, Lina Po Makurwat, he's the youngest. This is from Umlinka, Mia. This is Atyar from Shillong, Liam from Shillong, Sean from Shillong, Cleric from Shillong, Rankin Sai from Shela, Shan Kupar from Shela, Van Kupar from Shela, Rao from Mokurwat, and she is from Umpung, Bayahunlang.
ngala prepare bahar da kedau ka kucing jong sepritam bai la hikai bahar yangi ngala semua la ban participate akan di national competition ngapat ju participate akan ni de kasngi ban kau yang ban participate lagi competition Smuting bang ngapat ju participate hi kini ke competition but nga long you brief untuk bang you ngasya hikai bahar ban job akan di competition ngala.
Kalau yuk kat ni kucing kai ini berarti kai bawa hotel. So kani kadai kesin ke baat semua bernaik University. Msua Arthia for Madhya Pradesh. Pemelaya tengah belajar ni. Ni game mesti tolong bang swimming bang kena di sini jadi sport dah. Hai so kermen hi kata na bang aru ngala yo practice ha ngaladon hi kata ka experience lihat ngala yo practice.